Update 1 on Tropical Storm Linfa, which is located in the Western Pacific, not far from the Philippines, with winds of 50 miles per hour and a pressure of 989 millibars. Position 15.1 degrees north, 125.2 degrees east. The storm's expected to move towards the northwest in the next 48 hours, and it will probably make landfall on the eastern coast of Luzon as a tropical storm before continuing towards the northwest and then curving towards the northeast a little as well, near the northernmost islands of the Philippines. It does also mean, of course, that the storm may possibly threaten Taiwan as a tropical storm as well, but we'll see on that one. First of all, it's got to get through the Philippines. It's already caused several fatalities, this storm, and may cause more as it progresses, but hopefully not. But this is the situation just north of the southernmost part of Luzon, northeast of there actually. Signal 1 warnings in effect for northern Aurora, Quirino, Isabela and Cagayan, including the islands of Calayan and Batanes as well. So that's the current situation there. The signal warnings could be upgraded later on as the storm approaches land. We don't quite know how strong it will be because of high wind shear values in the vicinity, but we expect it will be a moderate tropical storm when it makes landfall. Probably nothing much more than that. I don't think we'll see a typhoon, but you always have to be on your guard. Sea surface temperatures fairly warm, around 30 degrees Celsius. That's certainly one thing in the storm's favour, and that will continue all the way upon landfall and on the other side as well in the South China Sea and the Taiwan Strait. But look at the wind shear graphic here. It is increasing around the storm. It is already fairly high, though it is on a decrease in the northern part of the South China Sea. I wonder whether that will extend towards where the storm will emerge on the other side as well, but we'll see. Here's the water vapor imagery. A very moist environment around the storm except to its north, but certainly delivering lots of rainfall over the Philippine Islands at this time. You can probably see it better on this satellite imagery here. Not much of the storm has reached what will be the probable landfall area yet, but a lot of rainfall and thunderstorms occurring southwest of the storm over southernmost Luzon and some of the islands in that vicinity as well, just about extending into the Visayas region. You can see on this graphic here the yellow shaded areas showing dry air areas to the north and northeast of the storm, which could possibly interfere with its development as well. The actual structure of the storm is still looking fairly weak. 95E and 96E are located in the eastern Pacific. They could both develop into tropical storms in the next few days. We also have a very active West Pacific tropical storm Linfa, Chanhon, and tropical storm Raquel still going in the South Pacific, and tropical depression 11W, as well as Invest 98W2. Lots of stuff going on. 38 tropical storms have formed so far in 2015 around the world. 22 have become Category 1 hurricanes or their equivalents around the world with winds of 74 miles per hour or higher. 14 Category 3 storms with winds of 115 miles per hour or higher. You can follow Force 13 on any of our outlets. The website force13.com is under renovation at this time. You can also follow us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. Search Force 13, all in text, for the latest updates on there. I'd recommend them. And you can also add Fool 13 on Skype to speak to me personally on for Tropical Weather Chat on there. Fool 13, the numeral that time, and to also discuss storms with fellow storm trackers there too in our dedicated chat room. We may go live this evening on July the 3rd. If necessary, if we feel it's necessary. We'll keep you up to date on when and if on our social media pages. That's all for now.